jumping into conclusion at times is not really nice, and it's actually bad. So let's start from the beginning and let me show you how I did this beautiful style. So some parts of the video I'll be going a bit fast so that will not take too much time, because this is just a plating video. I just want to show you how I came up with that style. So this is Keeping Up with Korea. Welcome to my channel. Please stay tuned till the end of the video so that we will stay along together. So doing this particular style, there is not too much of a complication. As you can see, it's a straightforward style. So following the way this client shaved the hair, I said that okay, let's try something new today. Let's try something beautiful and inventive today. So just follow as I plait this hair, and you'll see how that beautiful style would come out very easily and it's good to go. So the first two lines of the front is just two, so it's from the side, from one side to the other side. So I just wanted something nice. At least the hair is a bit long, not like the one I usually do. But now this hair is a virgin hair, and the texture is a bit strong. So to be able to make it to look a bit smooth, I had to use gel, apply gel on the hair so that it would straighten out the hair a bit, because I blow dried the hair, but the blow dryer did not really do any good job on it. This coarse hair, I did blow drying on it to try to straighten it out, but it's still coily. So the gel that I'm applying on it is helping it to smoothen it a bit, so that for easy braiding. Okay, this is the next side. After I finished doing the front two sides, I cut in the middle, so that because I want to make that curved style. So to be able to do it successfully, I first of all do that first one in the middle. So let's do the first side. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and subscribe so that we can grow together, and equally comment on my videos so that I will know what to fix. I don't really bother about criticism. You criticize me, it's okay. I love it because it helps me to grow. It helps me to invent new things. It helps me to progress. I love progress. So that's it. If you're a new timer, you don't know how to braid, I have other videos that I show you how to braid this hair. Since it is virgin hair and I want it to be really smooth, I could have done stitch braids, but that would just take time for nothing. So let's just do this one and go straight to the point. So you can see that I've already done the curve that way, and we'll be cutting it now from the center back and braid. Okay, so that is the last two that I want to braid. So I've started in the middle, and let's braid that tranche and go down. So this is the last part. I decided to put it a bit slower, fast and slow alternating, so that you can see how the braid goes. So this is it, looking nice and beautiful. This all of this actually took me time. I spent at least 2 hours to braid this hair because I wanted it to be really smooth. It's actually very difficult to braid virgin afro hair to really look smooth like this, but we could easily achieve this by doing it slowly and nice. So let me put now the mousse so that it can hold all the hairs together. We'll put the mousse and then I tie it and I dry it a bit. Okay, now this is the review. This is how it looks. You can see how neat it is, neat and smooth. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye bye.